Insects are everywhere. They are the most diverse group of animals on Earth. From tiny ants to beautiful butterflies, insects play vital roles in our ecosystems. Some pollinate our crops, while others decompose waste. Insects are essential for life as we know it. However, some insects pose a danger to humans. These insects can transmit diseases, causing illness and even death. Among them, the mosquito stands out as the deadliest insect on Earth. Mosquitoes are small, flying insects found worldwide. Only female mosquitoes bite humans and animals, as they need blood to produce eggs. While their bite is irritating, it's what they carry that makes them truly dangerous. Mosquitoes act as vectors, transmitting diseases from infected individuals to healthy ones. They carry microscopic pathogens, such as viruses and parasites, in their saliva. When a mosquito bites an infected person or animal, it picks up these pathogens. The pathogens multiply inside the mosquito and are then transmitted to the next person the mosquito bites. This makes mosquitoes incredibly efficient disease carriers, responsible for millions of deaths every year. Malaria is a life-threatening disease caused by a parasite called Plasmodium. It is spread through the bites of infected Anopheles mosquitoes. Symptoms of malaria include fever, chills, sweating, headache, muscle pain, and fatigue. Malaria is prevalent in tropical and subtropical regions, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa. It affects millions of people annually, primarily young children and pregnant women. The World Health Organization estimates that nearly half of the world's population is at risk of malaria. Mosquitoes also transmit other serious diseases, posing a significant threat to human health worldwide. Dengue fever, caused by the dengue virus, is characterized by high fever, severe headache, joint and muscle pain, and a rash. It is prevalent in over 100 countries, affecting millions of people annually. In severe cases, dengue can lead to dengue hemorrhagic fever, a life-threatening complication that requires immediate medical attention. This severe form can cause bleeding, blood plasma leakage, and even death. Zika virus, also spread by mosquitoes, gained notoriety in recent years due to its link to birth defects in infants born to infected mothers. The virus can cause microcephaly, a condition where babies are born with smaller heads and underdeveloped brains. While Zika infection is usually mild, it can have devastating consequences for pregnant women and their unborn children. Preventative measures, such as avoiding mosquito bites and using insect repellent, are crucial. Yellow fever, a viral hemorrhagic fever, is another mosquito-borne disease that can be fatal. It is endemic in tropical areas of Africa and South America. It causes fever, chills, headache, muscle aches, and jaundice. In severe cases, it can lead to liver failure and death. Vaccination is available and highly effective in preventing yellow fever. It is recommended for people living in or traveling to endemic areas. These diseases, along with malaria, represent a significant global health burden. Efforts to control mosquito populations and improve public health infrastructure are essential in combating these illnesses. Section 5. The impact on developing countries. Mosquito-borne diseases disproportionately affect developing countries, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. These countries often lack the resources for effective mosquito control programs and access to healthcare. The burden of these diseases extends beyond the individual, impacting families, communities, and national economies. The costs associated with healthcare, lost productivity, and mosquito control efforts are substantial. Addressing mosquito-borne diseases is crucial for improving public health and achieving sustainable development goals. Section 6. The fight against mosquitoes. Efforts to control mosquito populations and prevent disease transmission are ongoing. These efforts are crucial in reducing the spread of mosquito-borne diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus, which affect millions of people worldwide every year. These efforts include insecticide-treated mosquito nets, also known as ITNs. These nets are impregnated with insecticides and provide a physical barrier against mosquito bites while sleeping. They are one of the most effective tools in preventing mosquito bites during the night, which is when many mosquito species are most active. Another method is indoor residual spraying, or IRS. This involves spraying insecticides on the walls and ceilings of homes to kill mosquitoes that rest indoors. IRS is particularly effective in areas where mosquitoes tend to rest on indoor surfaces after feeding. Larviciding is another important strategy. This means applying larvicides to breeding sites, such as stagnant water, to kill mosquito larvae before they can mature into adult mosquitoes. By targeting the larvae, we can significantly reduce the number of adult mosquitoes that can transmit diseases. Personal protection measures are also essential. These include using insect repellents, wearing long-sleeved clothing, and avoiding outdoor activities during peak mosquito biting times, such as dawn and dusk. These measures help reduce the risk of mosquito bites and the diseases they can carry. However, challenges remain in the fight against mosquitoes. Insecticide resistance is becoming a significant problem as mosquitoes evolve to survive chemical treatments. Additionally, climate change is altering mosquito habitats and extending their breeding seasons. Limited resources in affected areas also hinder effective mosquito control efforts. Despite these challenges, ongoing research and community efforts continue to play a vital role in combating mosquito-borne diseases. Section 7. Other dangerous insects. While mosquitoes are the deadliest insects, other insects also pose threats to human health. The tsetse fly, found in sub-Saharan Africa, transmits the parasite that causes African trypanosomiasis, also known as sleeping sickness. The kissing bug, found in the Americas, can transmit the parasite Trypanosoma cruzi, which causes Chagas disease. Chagas disease can lead to heart and digestive problems. Black widow spiders, found in various parts of the world, are known for their venomous bites. While not usually fatal, their bites can cause severe pain, muscle cramps, and other symptoms. Section 8. The threat remains. Despite ongoing efforts, mosquitoes continue to pose a significant threat to global health. Climate change, with rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns, is expanding the range of some mosquito species, increasing the risk of disease transmission in new areas. Insecticide resistance is another growing concern, making mosquito control more challenging. New and innovative approaches are needed to combat these challenges and reduce the burden of mosquito-borne diseases. Section 9. Protecting yourself and others. While the fight against mosquitoes continues, individuals can take proactive steps to protect themselves and their communities. One of the most effective measures is to use insect repellent. Apply insect repellent containing DEET, picaridin, or oil of lemon eucalyptus to exposed skin. These ingredients are proven to be effective in repelling mosquitoes. Additionally, wearing protective clothing can provide an extra layer of defense. When outdoors during peak mosquito biting times, such as dawn and dusk, it is crucial to wear long-sleeved shirts, long pants, socks, and shoes. This minimizes the amount of exposed skin and reduces the chances of getting bitten. Another important step is to eliminate mosquito breeding sites around your home. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in standing water, so it is essential to remove any stagnant water around your home. This includes water in flower pots, buckets, and old tires. Regularly cleaning and emptying these containers can significantly reduce the mosquito population in your area. Supporting mosquito control programs is also vital. Stay informed about local mosquito control efforts and support community initiatives. These programs often involve spraying for mosquitoes and educating the public about prevention methods. By participating in and supporting these efforts, you can help protect your community. By taking these precautions, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of mosquito bites. This not only protects personal health, but also contributes to the global effort to prevent mosquito-borne diseases. Every small action counts in the fight against these pests. Section 10. Conclusion. A shared responsibility. Mosquitoes, the deadliest insects on Earth, continue to threaten global health, particularly in developing countries. Their ability to transmit deadly diseases like malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and yellow fever highlights the importance of mosquito control and disease prevention efforts. Addressing this challenge requires a multifaceted approach involving governments, healthcare providers, researchers, and individuals. By working together, we can reduce the burden of mosquito-borne diseases and create a healthier and safer world for all. The fight against mosquitoes is a shared responsibility, and every effort counts.